Yo guys, it's Abu, and today I'm gonna film a hot bar video. It's just another video idea, didn't really know what else to do. Never tried hot bars before, so just wanted to give it a shot and see what happens, I guess. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your mum, dad, whoever, you know. Let's get this ETBMX movement going, you get me? If you like these kind of videos, we'll get more going with Ethan and Tariq, because obviously they can do way more tricks than me, so like, yeah. So first of all, what we're gonna need is our trusty helmet. It's a really dead helmet, but like, a helmet's a helmet, so you're gonna need to protect your head, mate. The next thing that you'll need for protection when doing hot bars is a set of pads. Like Charlotte. But yeah, a set of pads, ankle pads, whatever, something to protect your shins and stuff, because you don't want to slip pedals or anything or die. Alright, so my hair's a bit of a mess from putting that helmet on, but the third and final thing you'll need is a bike. You know, a fully working BMX bike. Any kind of BMX will do, preferably one that's nice, you know, like this one. Thanks, Tariq and Ethan. Seeing as it's cold outside, I'm gonna need something to keep me warm. So, see that? It's a hoodie. Yeah, gonna use this to keep me warm while I'm doing these bar spins, hot bars, bar spins, same thing. But yeah. See, weather conditions are pretty dead. It's like kind of spitting right now. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Nah, you can't see it, but yeah, pretty dead weather conditions at the moment. Okay, seeing as like the weather conditions are like pretty dull and dreary, I mean like I don't really want to be doing hot bars in the wet to learn them in the wet, because that, like, if I fall, it might scare me from doing it and stuff like that. So I think I might just like, I might time lapse and stuff, I don't know, and see if the weather calms down. Or, wait, I might do a bike check, you know. That's a good idea. I think I'm gonna do a bike check. And there we have it. This is a Total Hangover H1 with H2 stickers on it, because they had no more H1 stickers in stock. So yeah, Total Hangover H1, Alex Colborn's signature frame. But yeah, it's a nice frame. I don't even know if you can see me on camera right now, but now I'm gonna give you an overall look of the bike, so you know. This is how you know it's a H1. Yeah, we'll start off with the wheels. We have profile mini hubs, front and rear. Front's female, rear is male. Yeah, the rear one's a bit crusty. Placed to front Alienation Skylark rim and rear Primo 6 series rim with BSD stainless steel spokes. Maxxis Exo Grifter tires, or Grifter Exo tires? Maxxis Exo something tires. Maxxis Grifters 2.1. Then of course we have the Mafia hit main fork. Not too sure what offset they are, but they're very, very nice. Beautiful forks, beautiful forks. We also have the Mafia hit main stem in prism. For the bars, we have Snafu Scotty Kramer signature bars. I think they're the Jackson bars. These are very, very nice bars. And of course, you know, you always got to give it 110%. Oh yeah, the headset that I run is a Total BMX headset. It's just something that I saw on Chain Reaction Cycles. It was really cheap. We have Fit Index cranks. These are very nice cranks. I love these. And just a little backstory. Okay, so basically me and Ethan like swapped cranks at one point, and then swapped our pedals as well, because we don't like the pedals that we ride. And yeah, and when we were trying to swap the pedals back over, they were kind of stuck. So yeah, I kind of run odd pedals at the moment, but I shall be getting new pedals soon, don't worry. There's a little stem. Yeah, that's the old stem that I used to run. I think that's a Salt Plus stem. Pretty dead stem, but yeah. So pedals are Odyssey JCPC and firmer. Yeah, lip pedals. I have a We the People spline drive sprocket. I think it's a 25 tooth. Well, technically 24 because one of the teeth is snapped. Yes, I know my chain is on backwards. Don't laugh at me. There it is, look. 24 tooth sprocket. Nice. Also the chain. No clue what chain this is. Like no clue at all. With the bottom bracket, I don't know what this is. Someone could tell me what that is. It's something. Those are the bottom bracket spaces. I have no idea what the actual bottom bracket is. Certified. All day, every day. Courtesy of Ryan Taylor. You know, supporting the family in that. Then we've also got the Federal pivotal seat. It's a very nice seat. It's very comfortable. Obviously I would know that because I just sit around at skate park and do nothing because I'm terrible on a bike, but let's not talk about that. Move on to the grips. These are really disgusting grips. These are ODI, what used to be XL grips, but are now ODI normal grips. Well, that was the bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the bike check. Yeah, I'm kind of getting bored of being inside now. I'm going to check the weather outside and see what it's saying, and if it's good enough to ride in, I'm gonna get some hot bars going, but if it's not, then I don't know. I'll get some riding, some sort of riding in this video anyways, because I know you guys like watching the riding, you know. Checking back in. It's a lot darker than before. I mean, like, yo. It's darker, but yeah, we're still gonna get some riding in. I don't know. Do something. I don't think hot bars are gonna pop off today, but I'll probably do a few 180s and that's about it. Yeah. Okay. The world suddenly got very, very dark. Don't know why. I've been out here for like 10 minutes maybe. It's dark as hell. But yeah. Okay, my phone died from filming, which is very annoying. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me fail. This is a video. I sent one, which I was really happy with. Yeah, not really happy with, but it's a start. You know, it's a start. It's better than nothing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, share with whoever, you know, everything. Your dog if you want, cat, hamster, pet rabbit, anything. You get me. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Thanks for watching.